Hi family, welcome to Retail+On. On today's video, I won't take much of your time. I just want to share with you this Air Jordan 1 Retro OG. This shoe was released February 24th in the year 2022. It's very close to the Taxi, the yellow toe, but it's different color. Share this with you. This is actually not my shoe. This is my babe shoe and it's a babe size, so I just want to share with you, if you're out there, you're looking for an Air Jordan to buy and you don't even have, like, because the retail price on this is $170 and you don't have $170 to pay. If you're a size 7 in men's, it's a Jordan shoe and it goes for $130. So I'm gonna tell you the trick behind it and I'm gonna tell you what you have to do, So, and you can do that for the Taxi too. This is the shoe right here. As you can see, this is the Air Jordan 1 Retro IOG in the Brotherhood. It got yellow and more like a locust color. Bulldogs, this is called Bulldogs, I guess. Yeah, it got yellow and Bulldogs. So on the it comes with 2 laces, that's white and yellow, and they give you like a Jumpman logo right there. So yeah, so it's basically come with 3 laces, so 1 extra lace tied and 2 extra lace in the pack. So yeah, it's the shoe right here. As you can see, it's the shoe, the back heel, the Jumpman logo and everything. You can see the insole, you can see the toe box right there. Here's the outsole, here's the back heel. Let me show you inside. As you can see the inside, you see what the size says? The size says 6.5 in youth. This is my girl's shoe. Let me show you the other pair. She already tied these up. She tied it up just to, know how it feels. Here's the other pair. Got yellow outsole. As you can see, 6.5. So she only got this for $130 for retail. The price on this right now is not really doing much. I'm gonna check it and share the price range for you both on StockX and Go. It's not doing much and it comes in this box. You see right there, focus, it says size. So it literally says size 6.5, Euro 39. To all my Nigerians watching, this should be your size 39, that's Euro, and people in the UK is size 6. So yeah, but for me, I wear size 40. It's crazy, right? So I think I have to go 7Y or 7 men's. So she only got this for $130 from Snipes. Shout out to Snipes. This shoe is $170. So that's why I'm sharing with you guys. Check your sizing. Go to a local store. Check if you can size on the youth, because this is the time for saving. So I just want you guys to save on your shoe and and still rock them. Hopefully, if I get a yellow toe, the taxis, I'll do a comparison between. But let me show you real quick. The material on this is nice too. As you can see, it's like a tumble leather right here. No crack, no anything. You see, it's even nicer than Air Force 1 material. Like, the material on this is nice. It's nice. So the tongue is not really thick, but it's nice. And as I told you, it was kind of inspired by the Lakers, colors. And this is another Air Jordan. You see this one? More like a plastic feel compared to that's leather. So that's just what I want to compare it. So yeah, if you like this shoe, I have another unboxing I'm going to be sharing with you. I won't be bringing like latest shoe, but I'm just going to be touching things you can get in order to style, you know, your shoe and all that. So let me give you one clue. I think I'm gonna just call my girl video on this so you guys can know how I feel. For showing the outfit review. So it came with 3 laces: yellow, gold, white and purple, so which is the buttocks. So what do you guys think about the shoe? Can you compare the shoe to the yellow taxi, the yellow toe? Let me know. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please subscribe. And before I go, I have a vlog coming on. I got this Supreme of retail, including this art right there, including this bandana, tee also, and this. All this shirt, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be wearing them, so it's time for the investing in this to kick in. So I'll just go to the mall and show you guys how I'm gonna flip it and make money off it, and how much I got it, I'm gonna profit on it. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, check out the shorts, and you know, love for all, for none.